I like trains.
Hello everyone. As you can see, I am here at the Thomas A. Dixon Aircraft Observation Area here in Glen Burnie, Maryland, also known as Friendship Park, which is a little bit down there. And in case you cannot tell, this is not going to be a train video, rather a plane video, because yes, I also like planes. Not as much as trains, but I still think they're very cool. I love flying as well. And this video is going to feature all the planes I catch today. And if I'm not mistaken, we should have a few special ones coming as well. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see all of that. And I am here today with DMV AvGeek. And yeah, that's all I had for the intro. So without further ado, here come all the planes that I see today. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, first plane of the day. This is a Southwest Boeing 737-700 flying from Jackson, Mississippi. I apologize for the breeze, it's very windy today. All right, we've got ourselves another plane, another Southwest. This is a 737 MAX 8 flying from Dallas, Texas. All right, so coming in, we have a Frontier Airbus A321. This is Kari the Fisher. Almost sounds like Princess Leia from Star Wars. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can tell this one's not Southwest. I've flown in an A321 before. They're pretty nice. All right, we got a Southwest Boeing 737 MAX 8 coming in from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. right, we got a Boeing 737-700 from Southwest arriving from Miami, Florida. There's another one behind it, right there. There it is. Man, I feel like the old plane guy today. All right, we got a Southwest Boeing 737-700 arriving from Syracuse, New York. Oh, and there's one behind it. Look at that. I think I got that on video. All right. We got a Boeing 737 MAX 8 coming from Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, 737-700 from Southwest coming in from Jacksonville, Florida.
Your team sucks. Your team
No, they don't.
I don't like your mascot. Ugh. Why is this not? Not nipples.
So this is a private jet right here.
Don't put the nipples part in.
It's already in. It's coming from Naples, not nipples. I don't care. That guy's just landing through the trees.
Your cousin from Boston. Like those two.
All right, so apparently we've got ourselves a Delta Embraer coming from Boston, Massachusetts.
Your cousin from Boston. Remember those stupid ads?
Yes, I'm also filming. Thank you very much.
Okay, so there's some back here and then Denver. Wait a minute.
I was told this is Delta. You sure this is Delta? It doesn't look... Oh yeah, it is.
Okay, yeah, this is Delta.
You sure it's an Embraer? What is that? Oh, he is small. Wow. It is a cute little one.
She? You want to call that she?
That's a she. Okay, Southwest 737 MAX 8 coming from Atlanta, Georgia. We actually got 3. My fingers are getting so cold. All right, we got another Boeing 737 MAX 8 coming from...
James, Baldy James, dude.
Woo! From Fort Myers, Florida. 737 MAX 8 Boeing... I almost said CSX. Southwest. Oh, Jake break. Yeah, we're having fun with planes and trucks. All we need are trains, and then it's just like the movie. Oh, that one did not turn out very well. Sorry about that. Okay, we got a Boeing 737-800 coming from Rochester, New York. Fingers are so cold. All right, we have our first special livery of the day. This is Southwest Boeing 737-800 Nevada 1 coming in from Denver, Colorado. All right, next up we've got a 737 MAX 8 coming in from Tampa Bay, Florida. All right, you got a Boeing 737-700 from Southwest coming in from Portland, Maine. All right, we got a Boeing 737 MAX 8 coming in from Louisville, Kentucky.
Oh yeah, you got a truck.
Oh gosh, that's a big one. Well, they're all in the background of this video. It's gonna be awesome.
That's a Southwest 737 MAX 8. Oh yeah.
You got a Wi-Fi box on his back. Yep, that's how you can tell. It's back eight. Big Wi-Fi.
Oh.
So that's what it's from. Who they beat the Bengals.
The Ravens, twice. All right, we got another 737 MAX 8. This one's coming from Cincinnati, Ohio.
Who they beat the Bengals.
Like I said, the Ravens beat them twice.
Hey, Joe Burrow, you suck.
Joe Burrow was hurt.
Yeah, we killed him. No! That's grassy sad.
I'm sorry you thought but your team sucks.
Well, hopefully, guys, by the time this video's out, the Ravens win the Super Bowl.
Or the Bills.
Oh gosh, not again.
That's the compilation.
Oh, it's in there. Hey, look at this. We got another private jet. Looks like a Cessna. Oh, that's a cute little one. Oh gosh, my phone is not focusing on the demo. Why am I even filming this? Oh my gosh. All right, we got a 737 MAX 8 coming from...
Hey, let's go, Buffalo, let's go, Buffalo.
Buffalo, New York.
The Bills make me want to shout. Yeah, I actually know that too.
Buffalo, New York. It's cold up there.
How's the weather up there?
And it's 737-700 and no more truck.
737-700 from Raleigh, North Carolina.
Hey, Andrew William, I wonder what the truck counter is on right now.
I don't even know.
Good question for you.
trashiest. Oh, the vintage one. I don't like that one.
Alright, next one's coming from BWI, West Palm Beach, and there's no freaking truck! And it's a 737.
The Southwest party continues as we have another 737-700, this time coming from West Palm Beach, Florida.
Yes! We got more trucks!
A Dash 8? Oh shoot. A Dash 8 or a Max 8?
I thought it was good.
Right to the airplane graveyard.
Okay, we have an American Airlines
It's literally
Airbus A320, right? A320 coming in from Charlotte, North Carolina.
What do planes sound like they haunt? They just like rubbering.
It's definitely an American Airlines, I can tell.
And when see Rossi back there.
Oh gosh, there's another truck.
Truck.
That's sketchy.
Anyways.
Yep, I am.
Oh, jeez. No. Not.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit!
That's awesome.
Get this one! Somebody do this!
Oh wow, look at that bird.
Alright, next plane a private jet.
This doesn't make sense. Why not
Southwest
put it down?
737-800 Max coming from
Truck!
what's it called? What's it called?
Windsor Lock.
Windsor Locks, Connecticut. And there's another plane. Look at that.
Wait a minute. Oh, crap.
You see the Wi-Fi thing.
I see a truck.
That's an ugly Cascadia. Yeah, don't
Well, we got our first Spirit Airlines coming from Las Vegas, Nevada. If
don't you
only
just hate
Nevada
it?
one was coming from
Don't
there.
you just hate it when a new Heritage unit comes out and it just disappears?
Yeah, I do too, especially because I haven't seen those yet. This one is a Airbus A320.
Is it a Neo or no?
Oh, it's yellow. A Focus phone? Come on, you're only a few months old. What the heck? Seriously? There we go. There we go. This phone almost never has trouble focusing.
Alright guys, my name is Kenneth. I'm your Spirit Airlines flight and now we're waiting. Oh my god, look at this match. Shit, I gotta get that fixed sooner than later. Let me try and go to this landing at least. Hey, Spirit Airlines, we're clear to land one way through the left. Okay.
We got a Boeing 737-700 and another truck apparently coming in from Grand Rapids. Grand Rapids, Michigan.
You probably didn't do a truck literally.
Shoot. I would hope so.
It's from Los Angeles, 700.
All right. Speaking of Los Angeles, we got a Boeing 737-700 coming in from Los Angeles, California, LAX. Ooh, it's windy. You sure that's 700?
Red light.
That one looked a little bit. That one looked a little bit bigger. Whatever.
The next one's from Boston.
All right, we got a Boeing 737-800 coming in from Boston, Massachusetts. Whoa, sorry. Truck blocked it.
Got two coming.
Oh boy, let's see.
Oh, Lily, truck runs right there. We get him.
Alrighty. So now we have a Boeing 737-700 coming in from Houston, Texas, and this is another livery. This is Triple Crown. So let's take a look.
Don't do that. Please. Someone's not careful. Please. No truck.
Wait, that's not Triple Crown. Sorry, guys. Is that not it? Was that not it? What was that?
That was Triple Crown, but I guess it didn't count. That was supposed to be Triple Crown, but it didn't count.
Okay.
Oh, that guy was yelling.
All right, I did too. We got a 737-800 coming from Orlando, Florida. So yeah, I guess Triple Crown got repainted. I really apologize, guys. That was a letdown. At least we saw Nevada one. We do have one other cool plane coming. So yeah, let's take a look at this one. All right, we got a 737-800 coming from Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
It's a Max 8.
Max 8. Yep, this is our second to last plane. Well, we have our last plane coming. This is probably the biggest one. This is a Boeing 757 Delta coming from Atlanta, Georgia. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, that one's definitely a little bit bigger. That was nice.
My hands out on the piano.
Yep. This is definitely a bigger plane.
Let's go.
Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. And here from Thomas A. Dixon Aircraft Observation Area. Here's the sign for it. Here in Glen Burnie, Maryland. This is the old main guy and DMVF Geek.
I'm cold.
I'm cold as well. Signing off. Everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.